Switandzhaku swa nhlaselo wa mixo wa tolo. Muehleketeleriwa wa 27 wa malembe loyi anga exibedhlele u tama a ha rindze hi maphorisa. U baleseriwa hi nkarhi lowu a lwa ni varindzi. Ku tekiwe swilo swo hlaya leswi katsaka papila ni swo khoma vuxokoxoko bya le ka tikhompyuta. A swi twisiseki leswaku u nghene njhani.
We have inspected the number of things that security that were not in compliance with, of which I'm not going to talk about them now, but the general and the management of SABC here in Bloemfontein will work on them, including our team.
Maphorisa va le ku laviseni ka nandzu ringeta ku dlaya ehenhla ka murindzi loyi anga balasela.
There must be a case open so that investigation can prove if that was in self-defense or any crime has been committed. So even in this incident, there was a requirement that we must adhere in accordance with what law prescribed.
We have provided him with the lawyer, SABC lawyer, and we are going to respect the investigation. The investigation must take its course in that regard.
Tihofisi ti le ku laviseni ka nandzu wo tshova eka bindzu ku onha nhundzu ni swin'wana.
That's why in the January 8 statement we said we really have to defend the gains of our democracy, and part of it is to ensure that institutions that facilitate our democracy or enhance our democracy, like SABC, have to be defended at all costs.
If what these national key points are getting is what we call the highest form of a security from the state, then really our security is just a joke. We do not have a security.
Resources and expertise must now be put to use. Our state security services must get to the bottom of what seems to be a coordinated attack on key institutions in our democratic order.
SABC yiri hita nyika vatirhi va yona ni varindzi nseketelo va susa ku chava ni ku ya mahlweni va na vuxaka ni van'wana. Yi hlambanye leswaku yi ta ringeta hi tindlela hinkwato ku sivela leswaku swo fana ni leswi a swi humeleli.